What's something people don't know about Baku? Nazimi Street is where the real adventure begins. Nestled in the heart of Baku, Nazimi Street is a hidden gem that every travel enthusiast needs to explore. Imagine strolling through a vibrant street where every corner tells a story of Azerbaijan's rich heritage. Start your journey with the mouth-watering aromas of traditional Azerbaijani dishes. From succulent kebabs to sweet, flaky baklava, this place is a culinary heaven. But that's not all. As you wander, you'll be serenaded by local street performers and dazzled by the colourful displays of local artisans. Nazimi Street isn't just about food, it's a cultural hub where art and history come alive. Many travellers miss out on these authentic experiences, sticking to the more touristy spots. But now you know the secret. Ready to make some unforgettable memories on Nazimi Street? Pack your bags and let's go! Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more hidden gems around the world.